Welcome back to our channel. If your iPad is getting slower and slower, or you're planning to sell it, wiping all data is definitely something you should do. And if you want it to feel like brand new again, a factory reset is the best option. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to factory reset your iPad without hassle. Method 1. Factory reset iPad from settings. If your iPad can be unlocked normally, this is the easiest way. Open the Settings app. Tap General. Then select Transfer or Reset iPad. Tap Erase all content and settings. Then tap Continue to erase your iPad. Now just wait for the process to finish. This is the simplest and most direct method. Once it restarts, your iPad will be like new. If your iPad is frozen and you can't unlock it, don't worry, try the next method. Method 2. Factory reset iPad with iTunes. If your iPad screen is frozen and not responding, you can use iTunes to reset it. First, connect your iPad to your computer. Then put it into recovery mode so iTunes can detect it. Press volume up. Then press volume down. Then press and hold the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. Now open iTunes on your PC. You'll see a pop-up asking if you want to update or restore. Tap Restore, and iTunes will download the firmware and factory reset your iPad. However, iTunes can sometimes bug out or freeze. If that happens, here's another option. Method 3. Factory reset iPad using UltFone iOS system repair. UltFone is a third-party tool for fixing iOS system issues. It can reset iPhone, iPad, iPod, and even Mac with one click. And it can also repair over 150 iOS system problems. I've put the download link in the description. First, connect your iPad to your computer. Then open UltFone iOS System Repair. Click Start Repair. Select Deep Repair. Then download the firmware. Once the download is complete, click Start Deep Repair. UltFone will begin resetting your iPad and erase all data. When it's done, your iPad will return to the hello screen, just like a brand new device. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I've got more iPad tricks coming your way soon.